Okay, so it's time for some funnel magic. We're going to talk about your set and forget online money making website. Okay, free traffic plus a good website equals a smiley face. Okay, not making any income claims here because your success or failure really depends on you, the work you put in. It depends on the products you choose and the way you set it up. So while there are plenty of people out there making a lot of money with affiliate marketing, there's also a lot of people out there not making any money at all, okay? So we can never sort of guarantee anything. We can say that this is a guaranteed blueprint that if you follow this, there's every chance in the world you will make money because lots of people are, myself included. But please always remember that there is work involved, okay? There is no such thing as a magic button, a magic pill. It all comes down to work and how much you're willing to put in to this business, okay? And how much you really need. I mean, we all have different goals. Some people want to make 6 or 7 figures. Some people are happy just to make a couple $100 extra a week. So it's up to, and it's all possible. It's all possible, okay? So in a minute, I'm going to show you how to sort of supercharge what you're doing with your videos and your YouTube marketing to funnel even more prospective customers through your site, through to the products that you're promoting, and obviously, hopefully generating some more sales for you. So let me head over to the computer and we'll take you through. Okay, so let's talk about some funnel magic. Let's talk about how to bring this all together into a funnel. And once again, as I said, I'll give you a link where you can get a free lifetime deal with GrooveFunnels. You can create up to 3 full websites or 3 funnels. And so saying you can get everything all set up for free. You can test this. You can test the concept. If the free version of the software works for you and you don't need anything else, that's great, okay? I wouldn't complain. But if you want to sort of start to take advantage of some of the other features, then you can always look at upgrading. But it's always good to get started for free. So firstly, let's talk about what is a funnel and why it's so important. Because we've been talking about going out and creating, let's see if I got something, creating all these YouTube videos, okay? Right. So we've created all these YouTube videos, and then when somebody comes to Google and they search for something, then your YouTube video pops up here on the first page. Okay, so that's the strategy. That's the traffic strategy, and that's fine. I mean, that's great. I mean, to have your website, to have your YouTube videos or your content coming up on the first page of Google search results for free and quickly, as we've been talking about this entire series, because now at video 10, that's absolutely great. But we need something probably a little bit more robust, a little bit more to tie it all together. And this is where your funnel comes in. So what a funnel is. So we've got our content, okay? We've created our content. It's on YouTube, and we've got lots of links. But now we want to create a funnel. And a funnel versus a website, what's the difference? Because they're both websites. But you go to some websites and they've got, they're all set out really. Keep on forgetting to select my pen. So you come to a web page, and then up the top here, you got a logo, and then you've got menu options across here. You might have some stuff down here and stuff here, and then you might have a picture here, then you have some content here, right? And the point is that there's lots of information on that page. There's lots of things to distract people. They can click here, they can click here, they can do this. You actually can't get them to take a specific action because there's so many actions they can take. So basically what a funnel is it's a website that directs the visitor down a specific path. And they generally only have one of 2 options. They can either take the action that you want or they can leave. Okay, that's what a funnel is. So the first thing we have what we call a landing page. And a landing page is where we ask them for their name and email address, or sometimes just their email address. So name, email, and then the submit button here. Now what happens here is that, number one, they get put onto an email list. So now this contact that you've attracted, you can now market to them over and over and over again. So you can send them a series of emails. And of course you always want to provide value, right? But instead of you sort of having to go and find new contacts all the time, now you've got them in an email list. You can put them in a sequence to introduce yourself, talk about what you're promoting, why it's good for them, that sort of stuff. And then whenever another offer comes along that matches that niche, you've got a bunch of people sitting there already that you can just shoot an email out to and just promote straight out. You don't even have to worry about going through all this other stuff, okay? And then what we can do is then we can, so from the landing page, we can then take them over here to what we call the bridge page. What the bridge page does is it introduces them to the product that you're promoting. And here you could have a video of yourself talking about the product and introducing what they're going to see on the next page. So giving the credibility to the person. So if the sales page for the product that you're promoting has a video or talks about the guy who's providing the service or the coaching, whatever else, give your recommendation. Say why you are sending them to this page, that you've actually been in this group and you've actually had this person's training and it's really good and you've got results and that sort of stuff. Like throughout all these different videos, I've actually shown you real results. Okay, I've shown you the results that I've achieved through the training of the products that I promote. Okay, so that's important. And then you can then come across to, and this comes across to to their sales page, right? So you hand them off. But the reason why you just don't want to send them straight to the affiliate sales page is because, once again, you're producing all this traffic, and if you just send them straight to your affiliate link and straight to this page, they go into this guy's email list because they got to put their email list in when they buy it, but you don't get the email address. So you've got to keep on constantly generating new leads, new traffic all the time for all future promotions. And once again, if they visit this site once and they don't buy, and they're gone. Whereas if you come through here and you get the email address and you put them into an email sequence, you can promote, because sometimes they might be standing in line at the shops when they see it. They're not in a position to make a purchase. Maybe they're on their phone and they need to go onto the computer. There are many reasons why people don't purchase. Sometimes they've got to go home and talk to their partner. Sometimes they want to think about it. Very, very rarely do people sort of buy on the first click if they don't know much about the product. This is why you should put them into a funnel. And building these funnels, once again, is very, very quick. And in fact, I'll be more than happy to give you a free funnel that you can load into your Groove Funnels account. So if you sign up for a free Groove Funnels account under my affiliate link, I will give you a funnel which you can upload and modify to just get you started with your affiliate marketing ventures. But this is then what happens. All your YouTube videos, like all the videos that we created. Right, so all these, you say, well, what about all these, Tim? Excuse me. Well, number one, they're still ranking on the first page of Google. Don't forget Google over here. Right? They're still ranking on the first page of Google. But now in the description of these videos, we're now pointing them to the landing page. We're not pointing them directly to a sales page here. So whenever anybody clicks on the link in the Google search results, it'll take them through to a YouTube video. So here's YouTube. And then in the description of your video, you're going to have your link, which comes back to your landing page. Okay, and then this process can start. So as they hit here, you send them here. You get their name and email address. you put them into an email sequence, but then that all happens in the background. And then the next thing they're taken to is the bridge page. It's introducing them to the product and then through the sales page. And that's the way you put everything onto autopilot. And this is what the successful affiliates do, okay? The rookies, they just get their affiliate link and send traffic straight to the affiliate page. Okay, and that's really hit and miss. They might make a few sales in there, but they're not going to maximize their sales. Here, you're building a list, and the thing is that this email list is now a group of people who are interested in that particular topic, interested in that thing, interested in solving that problem. And there are going to be plenty other products and trainings and that sort of stuff that come out that will also complement or be of interest to that same group of people. And so when you see another affiliate offer that matches, that complements, right? Then you just send out an email. You just sit down and you just write an email, and it goes out to all your list, and then they've got a chance to purchase that. And once again, you might send a series of emails. You might send 3 or 4 emails on that particular promotion, just because, once again, people need to be reminded. Sometimes people don't see your first email. There's lots of reasons why just sending one email probably isn't the best way to go about it either. But that's it, guys. I said, without going into too much detail and just blowing your mind, this is what we call a funnel. And when all the mystery is taken away from it, it is very straightforward. It's logical. As I said, if you get a free lifetime account with Groove Funnels, and you can go to, I keep on forgetting to select my pen. You can go to groovesaver.com. Go to groovesaver.com, and you can sign up. You don't even need a credit card. Okay, get your free Groove account. Send me an email at admin@timcooper.com.au. letting me know that you've signed up and you want a layout for a funnel for affiliate marketing, and I will shoot one to you. No problems at all. Okay, that's it for the day. Once again, I hope you found this useful. If you've ever tried to set up websites and funnels in the past, let me know. Did it work for you? Did you have trouble? What stopped you? Was the software too complex, or was the platform just too expensive? Right? That's stopped a lot of people. That's why I got so excited when I saw Groove, because they've got this freemium option where there's free access to everything. Obviously, it's limited, but it's definitely enough to get a business started on, and it also helps you prove a concept. Right? So I'm really excited about that. So what stopped you in the past, or hadn't you even started to try yet? Okay. Please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and subscribe, and hit that bell, and you'll be notified when I bring out more trainings and more videos on Groove and affiliate marketing and video marketing in general. Okay, hope you enjoyed this series, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Ciao.